Guys, many of us want to create videos and images faster than ever, but not sure which platform can actually deliver. Well, today we're diving into WaveSpeed, the ultimate AI media generation tool that's already getting a lot of buzz. I'm Daniel, and in this video, I'll show you exactly what makes WaveSpeed different. We'll talk about why people call it one of the quickest content engines available. So if you've been waiting for a solution that combines all of that in one place, you'll want to stick around. Guys, make sure you check out all the useful links in the description after watching this video. There might be some nice discounts there. Let's jump in. So guys, what is WaveSpeed? At its core, it's an all-in-one platform for video and image generation powered by artificial intelligence. Unlike many tools that only give you one model at a time, this solution brings together the leading multimodal models from around the world. That means you don't need to jump between different sites to access the latest tech. The big promise here is rapid processing, folks. This tool is built for efficient inference currently available, with stability that keeps your results consistent, and it's not just about being quick. Prompt adherence is impressive, so what you write is actually what you get. Another reason people are switching is cost. Compared to other services, the pricing keeps costs lower while still giving access to premium technology. So it's efficiency, reliability, and affordability. And that's a rare combination, guys. Let's take a look at how it works. But before we start, I'd like to talk about what's available on this platform. First up is Seedream, which focuses on video generation. It handles things like camera direction, cuts, and character consistency really well. So folks, if you're making short films or social clips, this is something you'll want to use. Then there's Seedream, which specializes in image generation. Think of it as your creative studio for high-quality visuals. Whether you want realistic outputs or more artistic styles, it delivers with detail and efficiency. And finally, guys, there's Seed Edit. This is where you can refine what you've made. You can remove or adjust elements in your images without having to start over. This saves so much time when you just want to fix one detail instead of regenerating from scratch. And here's the cool part, guys. You get access to even more models from other companies too. We're talking Clean for creating videos, VO3 for making visuals, and also Hilo 2 and One for more specialized creative work. So you're not just stuck with one provider's technology. The big win is that all of these models live inside one ecosystem. Folks, you don't need 5 different subscriptions. Everything is right here. Alright, my friends, let's try Seedream. I'll enter a creative prompt and run it. Watch this. It generates a detailed image in seconds. The quality is sharp and the output sticks closely to the prompt. Now I'll switch to Seed Edit. I'll take the image we just made and edit a small detail. Let's say I want to adjust a background element, guys. Click Edit, and the result updates instantly. And that's how you go from idea to final version without wasting time. This workflow is so much smoother than bouncing between different apps. Guys, before we move on, I try to make my content fun instead of boring. And in return, please like this video and subscribe to my channel if you enjoy the content I make. Let's wrap up with one more example. This time I'll use Seedream again to generate a 10-second video. I'll type in a prompt, select the duration, and hit Run. Look at the progress bar, folks. It finishes in under 2 minutes. And the output is smooth, consistent, and ready to share. The best part is that this costs just a fraction of what other platforms would charge. This really shows the edge that this tool has right now. Another thing that really matters is pricing, my friends. This platform positions itself as the most affordable AI generation platform worldwide. You pay less while still getting access to the same or even better technology compared to competing services. What I like is that it's pay-as-you-go. Your credits don't expire, and you only spend when you actually generate. No need to worry about wasting a monthly subscription if you're not creating every day. Guys, that's a big deal for independent creators. When you add it up, the speed, the quality, and the price make this value hard to beat. So who should actually use this tool, folks? Honestly, it's for anyone who wants to create high-quality media without waiting hours or paying a fortune. If you're a YouTuber, Seedream helps you produce videos fast and keep up with trends. If you're an artist or designer, Seedream gives you stunning visuals in seconds that can inspire or even become part of your projects. And if you're a marketer, Seed Edit makes it easy to polish content quickly without extra tools. Guys, even teachers and educators are starting to use it to turn lessons into engaging clips and visuals. The point here is really simple. You can be a solo creator, a professional team, or just someone testing intelligent tools. WaveSpeed gives you swiftness, flexibility, and affordability all in one place. So my friends, let's put it all together. WaveSpeed is fast, efficient, and connects you with leading tools for generating visuals and editing capabilities, all in one place. And it does all that while keeping prices low. Guys, if you want to try it yourself, use the referral link in the description. When you register through that link, you'll instantly get $1 in free credits. That's enough to create your own videos and images today. If you found this video helpful, feel free to like or subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching and see you next time.